everyone, welcome back to All About China. My name is Andy Zhang. Look at the counter, what do you see? Oh, that's a soft tofu. Great. So today I'm going to show you how to make a home-style spicy tofu. Tofu was originated in China over 2,000 years ago, back to the Han Dynasty. And there are multiple ways to make tofu, but today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy, home-style spicy tofu. So you can see this pack. You can easily find this pack of tofu from any grocery store here. And the ingredients, including the tofu, of course. And here, this is starch. And shortly, I will put water in to make a water starch. And a spoonful of sugar and chili pepper and green onion. Actually, this onion was from my garden. And 2 cloves of garlic. And also here you can see that is fermented soybeans and chili pepper and soy sauce and mushroom powder. Okay, mushroom powder is used in lots of recipes, and it is more and more used in cooking to replace MSG. So it's very healthy and natural and organic. On this counter, you didn't see the salt, right? So simply because this sauce and soy sauce are already with salt, so we don't need to add any salt. But now let's get started. Firstly, we will open this pack. Now I have taken the tofu from the tofu box, and then let's cut into cubics. Great. Now let me cut the onion. Great. Now let me smash the garlic. You don't need the end. Now we will chop this garlic, the cloves of garlic, into tiny pieces. Great. Now let me cut this chili pepper into pieces. This chili pepper is also from my garden. Great. Now the next step is I boil some water here. So the tofu needed to be cooked in the hot water. I call it to heat it up. Now the water is bubbling. Now let me put the tofu in. Be careful, it's very hot. Great. So you don't need to boil a lot of time, and it's just like 1 or 2 minutes. That'll be fun, just to heat up the tofu. It's about 1.5 minutes. Now let me put the chili pepper in. Because the chili pepper is dried, so I put it in just to make it soft. Now let me pour this heated up tofu in a strainer. I want to strainer and to filter the water out. I just put a pot on and add some oil. And then a spoon of chili and fermented beans. So to heat it up, you can smell is really good. And then put the tofu in. Looks good. That's good. Put a little bit of warm water. Soy sauce. So when the tofu is being cooked, and I add a little bit cumin and turmeric, and just to add a little bit more flavor. But if you don't like cumin and turmeric, that's fine. So some white part of the onion stock, just to add flavor. To the water starch. Water starch will be used finally. It's almost done. Garlic. This is the pan to put the garlic. And a little bit more onion. A tiny spoonful of sugar. A little bit of mushroom powder. Not too much. The water starch. Water starch is just to absorb the juice and make it thicken. Okay. Now it's done. Let's pour the tofu in. So this dish is done. You can see it is look colorful, smells good. Most importantly, tastes good. Now it's time for a test.
Oh wow.
It's
Good.
It's great flavor.
Awesome.
Yummy.
See you next time. Bye now.